Hi, welcome to our channel The Food Interval. Rich and delicious mushroom soup is wonderfully satisfying to enjoy any time of the year. It's a hearty soup recipe prepared in just one pot, and is perfect to make even on a busy weeknight in only 30 minutes. Here you'll find step-by-step instructions with a video to make my savory, creamy, absolutely delightful cream of mushroom soup from scratch. We have taken 200 grams of fresh mushrooms here, slice and cut them into thin pieces. As a family, we love soups. It doesn't matter if it's cold or hot outside, there are so many terrific and tasty soup recipes that are perfect for any weather. This simple, delicious recipe is made without cream or milk. A mix of butter and mushroom stock to create a velvety soup without being too heavy. Melt unsalted butter in a large pan over medium-high heat. This naturally vegetarian dish is hearty, rich, and full of deep umami flavor. It's great topped with fresh herbs and served as a side or main dish. Add the garlic, cook for 1 minute, until they begin to soften. Add the chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook them until they release their moisture and start to brown, about 8 to 10 minutes. Mushrooms are a good source of B vitamins, including vitamin B12. They also contain minerals, including selenium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, zinc and manganese. Season the mushrooms with salt as per taste. Stir them well. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Did you know mushrooms are considered the most sustainable vegetable with the lowest carbon footprint than any other food crop? Mushrooms may be small, but they have a mighty system. In fact, underground fungal networks are believed to cover millions of miles. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 cup of vegetable or chicken stock as per your preference. Gradually pour in the chicken or vegetable broth while stirring continuously to avoid lumps from forming. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. Separate and bring mushrooms to room temperature. At this point, you can choose to blend the soup for a smoother texture. You can use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer the soup in batches to a blender. If using a blender, allow the soup to cool slightly before blending and work in batches if needed. Return the blended soup to the pot and place it over low heat. Let the soup heat through but avoid boiling it to prevent curdling. Again, pour chicken or vegetable broth gradually while stirring continuously to avoid lumps from forming. Mushrooms contain many essential nutrients that our body needs. Do you know that it is also a good source of fiber? In many diseases, the mushroom is used as a medicine, and it also has low calorie content. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Season the mushrooms with thyme leaves or black pepper. Stir to combine everything evenly. You can customize this soup by adding a variety of mushrooms, using different herbs, or adjusting the thickness with more or less cream. Truffle oil is optional but adds a luxurious touch to the dish. Do subscribe to our channel if you like our contents. You may also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. See you again.